Oh, let's see what's in here. Okay, so I have to push myself back from my desk so that I can actually open this ginormous box and be able to share with you. Now, this is the spring box, if I'm not mistaken here. And I know that I'm a little late to the party, but I had a lot of stuff going on in my world, and this is just now how I'm getting around to catching up on my videos. So, without further ado, this is the Spring FabFitFun box. Now, hopefully this doesn't block the way here. I guess I'll fold it back like that. I have other boxes here that I have to share with you. They're in the way. Okay, ready? So if you don't already receive FabFitFun, this is a quarterly box, and you get a bunch of goodies that are worth well over what you're paying monthly. It comes out to be about $25 a month, I think it is. And I will put a link in the description box below. They do allow me to send out, I think it's like 5 free boxes, and you would just pay shipping. So if you're interested in that, also leave me a comment below. Let's get started, okay? Okay, so first up we have, oh, this one's good. Look at this. This is a Tech Candy UV Sanitizer. And who the heck doesn't want one of these? I mean, with all of the germisms that are around, you know, you can never be too careful. So I really like this. Says, got 5 minutes, let's go to battle with germs. So I am excited to see how this works. It says kills up to 99% of common germs in just 5 minutes. Ooh, score. I'm getting ready to use it. I'll put my phone in here, my keys in here, because you could just never be too careful. Next up, we have Humankind Moisturizing Hand Scrub, and this is elderflower and raspberry. I wonder if it's probably sealed. Yeah, it's sealed a mundo. I don't even, oh, it's got the plastic thing on. It's got the plastic thing here. You have to rip this off first. Well, I don't know. I'll smell this if I can get it open in a little while and tell you what it smells like. I'm assuming that it smells good. But anyway, there's that. It's a hand scrub, and I like that it's hand scrub. I've got a bunch of scrubs for my face. I have scrubs for my body, but not specifically for my hands. So I like that. Next up, we have these. All right. I think it's sayhello.com. It's spelled SAIEHELLO.com. So it's like sayhello.com. And these are reusable beauty rounds. I like when they put them, I think it's in French, they're called tampons. I don't know what they said, what it says right there. And so these are 3 little reusable tampons. No, I'm just kidding. These are reusable rounds, and I think they're for taking your makeup off. So that's nice because high sustainability. You could wash them, use them, rinse them off, set them to dry, and you're all set. Save the earth, people, save the earth. All right, next up we have, this is, oh, this is really pretty. This is a ring, and it's by, it says made in Vietnam, 1 ring, Joy Dravecki. And this is just really, really pretty. Take that right up. Yeah. I like it. It's beautiful, and I like that it's adjustable because, as you can see, my fingers. There we go. But it's adjustable, so you have a little space if you have fat fingers like me. So, can't even put it back in the case, so it's gonna stay just like that. All right. Next up, we've got Pure Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. Ooh, just in time for spring and summer. We have this very sexy little bottle. Hello, lover. Look at that. That's really pretty. I like that. So this will be nice when I used my faux tan on my legs and I just drip drop that and make it look like I'm just naturally glowing, you know, J-Lo, who? Just kidding, yeah, I wish. All right, next up we have a Sorbus. Oh, hi girls, this must be your cousin. Sorbus Cosmetic Organizer Case. Love this. So if you don't know, I have Sorbus makeup organizers, and if you haven't seen it, I will link to that video above that I got them for a very good deal. One of them I got with the lipstick organizer and the other one without, because I bought the first one so fast that I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get this. And then afterwards is when I saw that you actually have the option to have like the lipstick case thing. That one's bigger, but still, hey, score, right? So you can put all of your lipsticks in something like this. I wouldn't suggest putting eyeliner. I mean, I guess you could in the ones in the back, but generally speaking, that's for your lipsticks, your lip glosses, your lip balms, things like that. Keep it organized. All right, and we have, now this is gonna be, oh, I forgot. Okay, so when you have FabFitFun, if you are a quarterly customer, you're allowed to customize, I think it's 2 items. I will double check that and I will put it in the description box below, but I think it's 2 items that you're allowed to customize. And this was one that I did choose because I'm trying to get myself back into, well, into looking like Cristina, because that's who I want to look like. So, you know, I'm not there yet. I've strayed, but this is a Ultimate Core Toning Kit. It comes with a mini ab ball and a core reformer. So I love that this is something that, you know, it's not just like you use it up and it's done. This is something that's just going to last. It's going to, like this thing. I mean, unless you break it, then you got to toss it. But otherwise, it's with you for ever. Now, last but not least, they do include, oh, isn't that fancy? All right, so this is, I thought they had something, oh, they do, okay. So this is what I was actually gonna show you, but I'm gonna show you this first since I picked it up. So this says, Grow Forth. It's FabFitFun, and it allows me to give someone $15 off your first FabFitFun box. And it's like a postcard, and I can sign it and send it out to anyone. I have to cover the code there because otherwise, you know, if somebody decides that, oh, I'm just going to use the code, then the person who I send it to can't actually use it. Anyway, so that's nifty. This is the thing that I was actually going to show you, is that they send us a lot. I get these, I think, in my BoxyCharms too, but it's by HelloFresh. Now, I do not order meals to my door. I make meals in my kitchen. So I don't, you know, I like to shop for my own ingredients. Sometimes I'm in the mood for chicken and sometimes I'm not. And I have a family of 5 and not 2. So I feel like even though this is a great deal for some families, I think for mine, with the way my boys eat, not so much. But it's 13 free meals, and it includes free shipping on your first box. 13 free meals across 4 boxes. So if anybody is interested in that, you usually get something like that in one of these. I think I got it in my last box too. It might just be like a thing that they do. So here we have also some cute little FabFitFun stickers. You know, if you're really a FabFitFun, you know, super freak, and you want to put these on your cell phone or your laptop or whatever it is. But the other little stickers, I don't know if I would do that, but I would do the little flowers and things like that. Even in my calendar, I like to kind of spice up my calendar, make it more of a happy place as I look at all of the crap that I have to do. So there's that. And lastly is their FabFitFun magazine, newsletter, info, and it tells you on the inside. The reason I like this is because although there's just stuff, it just looks like a magazine, but it also tells you about each thing that you have. So here, for example, the ball and toners that I showed you, the 4 thingy, it is 2E, and it says here it's by Gaiam. We all know that company, right? The yoga experts. Ultimate Core Toning Kit, and it is valued at $50. So let's add them all up, okay? Here is the ring that I showed you, and that one is 3C, and that is by Joy Drebecki. As I said earlier, I was not lying. That says $75. Keeping tally? All right, hold on, we're gonna keep going. Here is the UV sterilizer thingamabobber, and that is 1F, and that's by Tech Candy, and that is $60. And what else did I get in this? Oh, that sexy glowy thingy. Where's that? Oh, found it, 5A. And that is the Pure Cosmetics Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil is $28. $28. 4A, my Sorbus Makeup Organizer, the sister to my other two makeup organizers, that is valued at $30. Really? Okay, see, now I have to call into question, because the thing is that even though it might not be this brand, I can go to Walmart and pick one of these up for probably like $12. So I don't know if I agree with that, but maybe because of the name brand or something. I don't know, because these little pretty girls were like $25, $30 each, and they hold a lot more. So I don't know, but that's just what the magazine says. So we'll just see. And then I have my hand scrub here, which is 6B. It's a human plus kind hand scrub, elderberry and raspberry, and it's $15. That I can believe. That absolutely seems like a $15 value. And if it would work out for me, that is something that I would, in fact, buy again at $15. And lastly, we have here 8A. It's the Say Hello. I don't know. I like that name. The Say Reusable Beauty Rounds is a 3-pack. Ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. $15. I believe that. $5 a pop. Totally believable. Absolutely. And so, is that all there is? Yeah, that's all there is. Okay, so I say all there is like it wasn't a lot. But, you know, for what you're paying for every 3 months, you get a lot of stuff. And the one thing that I tell people, because, you know, although it's not like I'm a door-to-door salesman. I mean, this isn't like Avon where I'm like, oh, hey, could you buy this? You know, but the one thing that I do tell people is, if nothing else, you can think of it like this. You get a present to your door every 3 months. You're not really sure what's going to be in it, unless you are a yearly customer. If you do pay yearly, they give you early access to be able to customize your box more. I believe that you can choose more items to customize with, and I think it costs a little bit less. Again, this will be all in the description box below, because the paper that I took my notes on is upstairs. So, but it works out to be a cute little like gift to yourself. And if you don't think that you're going to use everything that's in the box, I mean, there have been some things that will just kind of sit around and I'm like, man, I forgot I had this, or nah, I'm never going to use this. And I mean, who's to say? Let's say I'm never going to use these. I am, but let's say I'm not. Somebody's birthday rolls around, and this would be really cute to just tie to the outside of the gift that you're going to give them as though it were a bow. I mean, it's a good item. It's, you know, eco-friendly, and it's useful. So that's what I say. I'm like, you know what? If you're not going to use everything that you get in the box, you could always disperse them. You could always stuff them in people's stockings for Christmas. You could always gift them as birthday presents, Mother's Day presents. Mother's Day, hi, it's right around the corner. Things like that. So what you don't keep for yourself, you can donate to others. So that being said, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this late unboxing of my Spring FabFitFun box. Again, I will leave the link down below, and if you're interested in receiving your free boxes, they're a little bit smaller, I believe. I don't think they have as many things in it, but you only pay shipping, and that way you can kind of decide if the things that you get feel like, ooh, yeah, I want to get one of these again. You can kind of go from there, and if you want to get it every 3 months, or if you want to pay yearly, or whatever it is that you do, that's on you. So thank you so much. Make sure that you smash that like button. Help a sister out, and I will see you next week.